Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to transform your skin, especially if you're craving a deep cleanse and moisture boost. We all know how the elements can take a toll on our skin, so if you're looking for something that restores, nourishes, and revives, you're going to want to hear about this. Let's talk about AHAVA's Osmoter Nourishing Leave-On Mud Mask. Before we go any further, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Now let's see if this mask lives up to its claims. AHAVA is known for its focus on harnessing the healing properties of the Dead Sea, and this mask is no exception. The Osmoter Nourishing Leave-On Mud Mask is packed with Dead Sea minerals, Dead Sea mud, and sea buckthorn oil, which are all designed to hydrate and purify the skin while promoting a healthy glow. The formula is meant to provide intense nourishment and help restore the skin barrier, leaving you with a smoother, more rejuvenated complexion. From the moment you open the jar, you're greeted with a rich, smooth clay texture that feels luxurious to the touch. The application process is easy, and you don't need to worry about rinsing it off. You simply leave it on, and it works its magic while you go about your day. I was curious to see how my skin would respond, especially because my skin can sometimes feel a little dry and sensitive after long days. Now let's talk about my personal experience using this mask. I incorporated it into my evening skincare routine, applying it after cleansing. The mask glides on effortlessly and the fragrance is subtle, nothing overpowering, just a light, calming scent. After applying, I left it on overnight as directed. The first thing I noticed was how hydrated my skin felt in the morning. It wasn't greasy or sticky. Instead, it had a healthy, radiant glow. Over time, I saw a noticeable difference in how my skin felt, softer and more balanced. On the downside though, while I didn't experience any irritation, I did feel like the mask wasn't quite as purifying as some others I've tried. While it definitely hydrated, I didn't see a dramatic reduction in the appearance of pores, which some people might be expecting from a mud mask. So, if you're looking for something that deeply cleanses and reduces congestion, this may not be your go-to. When it comes to the price point, the AHAVA Osmoter Nourishing Leave-On Mud Mask is a bit of a splurge, but considering the quality of ingredients like Dead Sea mud and sea buckthorn oil, I'd say it's worth it if you're after something that offers both hydration and skin barrier repair. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other masks with similar benefits, though they may not offer the same luxurious feeling or premium ingredients. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and sleek, with a high-quality jar that feels nice to hold. I do appreciate that the mask is clinically tested, which gives me more confidence that it's not just marketing fluff. I haven't had any direct experience with AHAVA's customer service, but the brand is generally well regarded for handling inquiries professionally and promptly. So I'd expect a positive experience should you need it. Now, if you're looking for something more affordable, but still effective, there are a few options out there that could give you a similar experience, such as masks from brands like The Ordinary or L'Oreal's clay masks. While they might not include Dead Sea minerals or sea buckthorn oil, they can still offer excellent hydration and purification at a lower price. So, after using the AHAVA Osmoter Nourishing Leave-On Mud Mask for a couple of weeks, I'd say it definitely has its strengths, especially when it comes to hydration and overall skin nourishment. If you're someone with dry or sensitive skin, looking for a gentle yet effective mask to restore balance, this one could be a great fit. However, if you need a more intense purifying or pore tightening mask, you might want to explore other options that focus more on deep cleansing. Thanks so much for watching today's review. If you've tried this mask or if you're thinking about it, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Don't forget to check the comments for the link to purchase, and make sure you subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.